We were having some problems before in the action handler for the button, but in this video we are going to see how we can easily add an action handle and how we can perform some action. In this case, we are just going to choose a message when we click on the button, the login button. Remember that for this you need to have already your design, and we are focusing on this login screen. So for example, if I run my program, you will see this is my program, and when I click on login, I will expect an action, in this case showing a message. Alex, look at this. So how do we get there? Well, instead of creating different classes in the source file and modifying all the code, we are going to use the design part from this. And once we have the button, we can right click and add an event handler, and in this case an action performer. Because I already have one, it told me the line what it is, which is basically what you will do later if you want to add or modify a different actions on your action handler. So I will open this by, can be by multiple ways, can be by double clicking this button, can be by going to the action handler menu here, or just clicking here. Those three ways. Now what you will have is something like this, where take you to the class that is already created for the the action that will perform, and inside of this I want to add the action. What do I want it to do? Oh, I want to create to show a message. Because we don't want to open another frame for this case, we're just gonna show a message using the library of here options, J option pane of panel, and we have the here you have the different completion, show a message, but we don't want to show a confirm dialog, we want to show a message. So we can select here that one, and in the first one we're gonna, in the first parameter of this one will be null, and in the second we are going to show the message. So if I save this now and I go to my frame, my design part, and I run it, I will see that the message will change. I click on login, and I love computer science. So if you want to open a new class, a new frame, when you click on that button, now you just inside of this function you just need to select open the other frame by adding the corresponding instructions here. Hope that this works, and if so, please make sure that you have all your buttons actions by just navigating to another screen. You have already your diagrams, so you're just going to make sure that if you first have the opening screen, the main one, and when you click on the next button or login, whatever is your first screen or your first frame, you want to go to the second one, and from the second one you want to go to the third one, and so on. Like this, we are just going to add one thing at a time. If you have any question, let me know. Bye bye.